Introducing the HP JetFusion 3D printing solution, made up of a printer, build unit, and processing station with fast cooling. Now you can deliver functional parts up to 10 times faster at the lowest cost. HP software enables easy job preparation and accurate job monitoring. The HP JetFusion 3D processing station with fast cooling is designed for a cleaner, more efficient 3D printing workflow. Replacing materials is easy. With the materials loaded, the HP JetFusion 3D build unit slots into the printer so that production can start. Pre-print and in-printer checks enable predictable, quality output. HP Multi-Jet Fusion technology delivers extreme dimensional accuracy and optimal mechanical properties faster. Once the print job is complete, the build unit can be moved on for post-processing, and the next unit slotted into the printer so you don't have to stop production. The HP JetFusion 3D processing station makes post-processing easy, from faster parts cooling to cleaner unpacking and materials reuse and mixing. Keeping the powder contained so that you don't need an additional room for parts removal. New HP 3D High Reusability PA12 leads the industry in reusability, so there's less waste and less cost. And the HP Multi-Jet Fusion Open Platform gives you access to a wider range of future materials and applications. HP JetFusion 3D printing. Start producing more functional parts within the same day, up to 10 times faster and at the lowest cost. HP, keep reinventing.